Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, it's simplified, and the problem is 7 raised to the 8th power times 7 raised to the 3rd power times 7 raised to the 4th power divided by 7 to the 9th power times 7 to the 5th power. Okay? Truthfully, if you were a student, you looked at this and you didn't understand the rules of the exponents or laws of exponents, you might look and say, whoa, how do I do this? You know, and you get your calculator out, and you're taking 7 and you're raising to the 8th power, then you're doing times 7 to the 3rd power with your calculator, and you got a big, huge math computation here, and you say, wow, this is really hard. But if you just learn these rules of exponents, or what they call the laws of exponents, I put them right above here. You're going to say, whoa, this is a lot easier than I thought. Okay, the one we're going to use here, we're going to use the multiplication rule, which is right up the top here, highlighting that both sides. And then we're going to use the division rule, okay, because those are the two that come into place in this. Okay, so let's look at the multiplication first. I'm going to do that first. Now it says a raised to the x power times a raised to the y power equals a to the x plus y. So really all you're doing now, I'm going to rewrite this. Watch. Let's rewrite this. So we got 7 to the 8th times. I hate writing that. Let me just change this. I'm going to write a dot for the times. Okay. I hate the x's. Only because later on with a lot of algebra, you're going to find x is a common variable that they use. And you're going to get thrown off. Okay. So 7 and then 7 to the 4th. Now 7 to the 9th times 7 to the 5th. So this would equals 7 to the 8th plus the 3rd plus the 4th all over 7 to the 9th plus the 5th. That would equal, I'm just going to write right below it there. Okay, so we get right there. So we get 8 plus 3, okay, is 11, plus 4 is 15. So we get 7 to the 15th over 7 to the 9th plus 5 is 7 to the 14th. Okay, so this is how it's simplified. Okay, now, if we look up, we go to the division rule, okay? So we got a to the x divided by a to the y equals a to the x minus the y. So that means we'd have equals, I'm going to do this, we'd have 7 to the 15th minus 14. Whoa, this is turned out pretty good. Equals 15 minus 14 is 1. So we get 7 raised to the 1st power. So what's that? 7. There it is. I'm going to make a big 7 so the teacher knows, hey, my answer is 7. And that's all there was to it. So you look at like a complicated problem that a student might look at, and they got the calculator on, they're trying to do 7 times 7 times 7, you know, all the way up to 8, you know, and, you know, they'll spend 20 minutes on this. Where if they just learn a few of these rules, the multiplication rule and the division rule, the power, you know, all the rules of the exponents, if they just study them a little bit, they're going to say, oh, I can do this. This is relatively easy. Okay, and that's all there was to it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show this to any students, you know, because they're going to see problems like this on a test. And I want them to solve this in a couple of minutes and move on to the next problem and get a good grade. And that's what it's all about. Thank you very much. Have a good one now. Bye-bye.